How will you prove na how will you prove to them na yung martial arts mo ay the best?
That is where the commercial side enters. Why do you want to prove to them that you are best?
In the first place.
In the first place. Because you wanted some members. Maybe for commercial reasons. Kasi definitely, if it is for, shall we say, the performance itself, you enter a sports group.
Yeah.
Now, you ask me again, how do I prove? By means of the tournament, I'll show you that I'm the feature team.
Competition, really?
By competition.
By competition.
So if the commercial people try to compete with you, let them. So you think you're better than us?
In short, what you're saying, the best way is through tournaments.
Yes. That's the only way. Why? Because you are governed by the same rules.
Good example. We are actually, because of that big responsibility, but we become overzealous. And sometimes we don't want to show it. Okay? I mean, because if it falls into the wrong hands,
yeah,
that's one thing.
Wala na. No. I mean, maybe it will not be let out. I don't know because
you are going to
I don't know what will happen.
No, you are going to let out only things that are going to be used in competition. May reserve kayo. Remember the element of surprise. Yeah. If you are the teacher, you learn from those new students that have different reactions. Ikaw mismo, kasi ikaw versatile ka, madali ka maka-devise eh. To execute the same technique from a different reaction. So you are learning, aren't you? Ours is gentle way. Yeah. I'd rather be promoted not by notoriety but faith.
Yeah, totoo.
Yeah.
So kaya
if you promote your group and that kind of promotion, that is notorious.
So
whereas if you promote in the way I'm advocating to you, that's famous.
So yung dati
help your brothers as you help yourself. Let us qualify that. Help your brothers as you help yourself. It's not help yourself help your brothers in the same manner that you help yourself. Magkaiba yun. Help your brothers as you help yourself. Tulungan mo siya habang tinutulungan mo sarili mo.
So in other words, you're learning.
Yes. Pag tinulungan kita, mayroong reaction sa akin na natutulungan din ako.
Yeah. Teaching, you learn by teaching.
Yes. When you teach, you help your students, at the same time you help yourself because you retain what you teach. Lumalalim sa utak mo yung tinuturo mo eh. The technique that you are teaching, that's why ako doon, dahil matagal na akong tumanda, pareho kami ni Joe. Nawala tuloy ako. I-apply natin sa inyo. Babalik ko lang yung sinasabi ko kasi, how would I like you to help?
Yes.
Okay. I would like to guide you to instill into yourselves the rules and regulations which will be taken from our martial arts. Pardon me if I call it jiu-jitsu. We will take away things that are not acceptable in judo and use only judo techniques.
Yes.
If you master those things without the use of these fatal things, how much more if you use these fatal things? Sige.
I know. Okay.
Okay.
If you master those things,
in that way, you add more potentials to the chapter. So, helping the chapter does not necessarily mean one way. Ibabalik ko na sa inyo yung sinasabi mo kanina, paano ka natulungan. This is your time to proclaim to the world.
That's correct.
That your school has won the national tournament using your technique according to the rules of judo. Is it good or bad? Ano sabi sa jiu-jitsu? If you don't like to kill, don't fight. The best practice, the best technique that is practiced in aggression is evasion. If you engage, you have to eliminate.
Kasi nandiyan na yun ang
that's the
elements of what.
So if you do not intend to kill, don't fight.
The first blow, is to save life, like giving them a chance. That's why, if you notice when some samurais in samurai movies, isang patay na, diba? They won't go ahead with it. But the second, they kill. And then that was translated to Aikijutsu because the roots are really samurai. But in Aikijutsu, there's always a chance. The first execution is a chance.
Similar to judo.
You
are given a chance to submit.
The second execution
You accept defeat, then
because
tap.